In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add or edit the short description on a Facebook business page. Start by making sure you are already logged in to your Facebook account. Once you are signed in, go to facebook.com. From there, switch to your Facebook business page so you are working on the correct page for your business. After your business page opens, look for the About tab. Click on About to open the page details and settings related to your business information. This is where Facebook stores the main public details that people can see when they visit your page. Next, look at the menu on the left-hand side. In that menu, click Intro. The Intro section contains the short business details that appear near the top portion of your page. This includes the area where your short description or bio is displayed. Once you are in the Intro section, find the Bio area. This is the section where you can add a short summary of your business or update the description that is already there. Look for the Edit button or the pencil icon next to Bio and click it to open the editing field. Now type your new short description or make changes to the existing one. Keep your wording clear and direct so it explains what your business does in a simple and professional way. This short description should accurately represent your brand and help visitors quickly understand your business. After entering your text, take a moment to review it carefully. Make sure everything is spelled correctly and that the description matches the message you want your business page to communicate. A strong and accurate bio helps make your page look polished and trustworthy. When you are satisfied with the description, click Save to apply the changes. Facebook will update the bio on your business page. To finish, check the Intro section again and confirm that the updated short description is now visible on your page. This final check helps you make sure the changes were saved successfully and appear the way you want visitors to see them. If you ever want to revise the description later, you can return to the same About and Intro sections and edit the bio again at any time. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.